Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 52,652 miles, this blue, 2008 Chrysler Sebring equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.